In today's video, I am going to teach you how to swap cells in Google Sheets. Before we begin, go ahead and open your sheet so you can follow along in real time. Swapping cells simply means exchanging the contents of one cell or range with another. And there are two straightforward ways to do it depending on whether the cells are next to each other or far apart. If the cells are adjacent, the fastest method is drag and drop with a single key. Start by selecting the cell or range you want to move. Then move your mouse to the border of that selection until your cursor changes to a hand or a move pointer. Now hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, click, and drag the selection over to the new spot. As you drag, you'll see a gray outline showing exactly where the selection will land. Release your mouse while still holding Shift, and the two areas will swap places. Using Shift is important here. It tells Google Sheets to exchange the contents, not just move them. This method works best when you are swapping cells that are side by side or ranges that are the same size. If you are swapping a single cell with another single cell, it's as simple as drag. See the outline and release. When the cells aren't next to each other, use cut and paste. Click the first cell or select the first range you want to swap. Press Ctrl+X on Windows or Cmd+X on a Mac to cut the data. Then click the target cell where you want that data to go and press Ctrl+V or Cmd+V to paste. At this point, you've moved the first piece of data. To complete the swap, repeat the same process with the second cell or range, cutting it and pasting it back into the original location of the first one. This two-pass approach effectively exchanges their contents even if the cells are far apart or on different parts of the sheet. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure ranges you swap are the same dimensions, so everything lines up cleanly. If you are moving formulas, remember that cut and paste moves the formula itself, and relative references may adjust to the new location. If something doesn't look right, press Ctrl+Z or Cmd+Z to undo immediately and try again. And when dragging, keep an eye on that gray outline. It's your preview of exactly where the swap will occur. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.